recording.
Hey, so this is Monday morning, and I can't tell you the last time I've ridden on a Monday, but this retirement thing is, this retirement thing is getting enjoyable. So, doing my old 64 route, I didn't get to ride yesterday. I typically do old 64 on Sunday mornings. And if you watch any of my videos on a Sunday morning, there is no one anywhere. There's no one on the highways. So Monday morning, I took old 64 from Brasstown to Hayesville. Some yahoo had about a 20-foot gooseneck and loaded it full of zucchinis. So I spent most of the time dodging zucchinis, because why would you put sides on an equipment trailer? It's not like the zucchinis would just roll off on every bump. But that's not how they think here in the mountains. I digress. But it's funny because there's a mix of the old people from Florida that have nothing to do, and then the people who have to go to work and they're in a hurry to get to work. But the old people who have nothing to do are just trudging along 5-10 mile an hour under the speed limit. They got to go to Ingles to get their pastries for the morning or whatever. But I'm pretty sure their main goal in life is not to consider others and just get out on the highways and slow them down on their way to work. So, yeah. So I just had to laugh. But I'm back on old 64 again, off of 64. I was only on 64 for a couple miles, but that was through Hayesville. I got to witness, the road rage and old people, and it's a little tiny section of 4 lanes. Everybody was fighting to get around the slower traffic. Good times. But yeah, I'm going to do yesterday's route this morning. One of us had to rebuild the bucket cylinders on the skid steer, so I did that. I apologize for not doing a video. That's my bad. Sorry. There's like 10 people left on the planet that still have a Caterpillar 267B. And they already know how to replace those cylinders. So I just figured I'd knock it out real quick without having to deal with the camera. But it's a beautiful morning right now. It's about 71 degrees. It's going to get to 91. I'm going to be home by the time it gets hot. And I'm gonna let this video run. So I'm just gonna post it's probably gonna be 3 sections. This part of old 64 and the next part of old 64 with the regular 64 right in the middle. But I'm not sure why you're not in North Carolina. You should come visit. Watch, they're pulling out. They're pulling out. Oh, yeah. Thanks for not going the other way. Y'all ever see a two-story house, two-story outhouse? There it is. Guy put the politicians at the top. There's never going to be a politician that comes down this road and sees that. There's not going to be a decent politician that's even going to make it to Western North Carolina. They go as far as Asheville so they can get the gay vote. I'm pretty sure Asheville is the new San Francisco. There's so much LGBTQ trash over there. I think it's the nose ring. The nose ring seems to short circuit the brain. Sadly, I've already passed them on 64-1. But there's a brand new Dollar General. I just opened a month ago. Clay County, North Carolina, I think, is trying to be the Dollar General capital. They're putting one in every open field. I'm surprised this road doesn't have one at the end of it yet. Back on Old 64. Look at the cloud on the top of that mountain. That was fog an hour ago. It's burning off quick today. That sun is gonna cook us today. This is gonna be one of those days of oil changes when I get back. I rode the yellow VFR Saturday. That needs an oil change. I took my 370Z out yesterday. That needs an oil change. I don't even know if I have oil. I know I have filters though. That's what matters. Get your oil at Walmart. I put OEM filters on all my stuff. So I always keep filters at the house. That is one messy yard. I just don't understand trashy people who like a whole bunch of trash and garbage all stacked up in their front yard. Just lazy. It's not just here in the mountains. It's in your neighborhood too. You know it is. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this road's really dirty.